The first discovery. New setup. So I got hit first cast, and now Johnny hooks up
pretty much instantly.
with the initial cast of the trip. This is first cast on the first spot that we found, and we're already seeing action.
I mean, we knew this was gonna be good. Like, this is just dumb looking, bro. Honestly, see if I could flutter it downstream. The way he was hitting that.
Did not expect to see him here. That's cool. That's baby largemouth. After seeing another one of these, Johnny and I are in agreement that we might have to do a little bouncing with some different type of baits, little Kitex, Ned rigs. The species.
Speciation in this spot is crazy.
See, that's a pretty fish. Species number 4.
Up H.
Look at that.
Look at the orange.
Very nice. We're not showing you all of them, but this is every cast right now. And look at how fat they are.
The ghetto. Jeezy. Should be relatively quick. But now we have the camera on us, so you know how that works. And a bank shot off this structure. Oh my gosh, dude, right when I tried to show off the bank shot, I threw it through the window. That one banked off the window too, but that's right where I wanted it.
I mean, we've been getting bites every cast for
Then
the
we turn
past
the camera
15 minutes. Look at that. Look at the colors on that fish. We're perching right now. Species number 5. These are cool. Finding them everywhere. What do we have here, sir?
That looks like a wild brown to me. That wild brown. Right where we said it gets trouty. That's what we're looking for, some big wild browns. He's not super long, but look how fat and beautiful that fish
oh
is.
my goodness.
That's a nice fish.
Species number 6 too.
I mean, this is unreal.
These are some of the healthiest baby smallmouth I've seen in a while. Just so fat. Really, really nice fish. And hopefully it's a preview of what's to come in here. All right, so allegedly there's water on the other side of this wall here. We're gonna just take a little leap of faith kind of cast, see if it falls. Yeah, that feels like water.
Oh, is that a good one? Is that a good one, dude?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a walleye! Are you kidding me?
Little piece of a net bait ion. Come on, kid. That's species number 7 on the day for the boys.
We talk a lot about a wall. We're gonna make sure that we get them all over the wall, and we're gonna throw them all back over the wall. Got him. It's a good one. It's like a good one, dude. Oh my gosh. It's like the best fish I've caught all day. I don't know what this is, dude.
Flip it!
I don't know how.
Flip it! What's happening?
Dude, I gotta tighten the drag, I think. Like, I'm reluctant. Come on. Dude, it's big.
No!
No, it's
Oh, you
still
got
on.
it? Okay.
Just my back reel got... Dude, this is like too big for this 1K, bro. Eric, I gotta go get it, bro. It's a big fish.
All right, do you want me to... What?
I need you to hold the rod.
Okay.
While you're...
Hang on, let me put this down.
Maybe barefoot. It's really slippery.
It's hard.
It's really hard.
It's way hard. It looks like you'd be able to get up it.
Right. It's slippery as f***, really. Maybe I could run up. Kind of just like...
Oh! Oh my God, you're so close.
I got a little finger grip here. Crumble. Oh! dude!
What is it? What is it?
It's a big smallmouth.
Oh, no way!
I could also see this pool. It's nuts. The best smallie of the day.
Piece of a net bait dagger.
Woo!
Yeah, show
Eric?
them what we're working with here.
Yeah. Like what this pool looks
Yeah,
like?
give them an idea of what's going on here.
All right. So we had no idea what this looked like, but it's crazy. It's crazy looking. We were just casting blind. Nice smallie. See you, buddy. Busting my drag. Might be the best one of the day. That it could be. Spot is stoopy doopy.
Hey, bud.
Nice one.
On that.
Ultralight smallmouth from the top of the Texas-Mexico border. Can't ask for any more than that. Travel light, Halo rods, baby. Found another hole. It's huge to get it set up in advance. Just throwing the frog around first cast before we get out there, dude. That was insane, bro. I don't care. That was insane.
Push her off. Go. Come on, girl. Come. Go, you gotta go.
Ronnie.
Save a pickerel so you could try to.
Oh yeah, we gotta feed the eagle.
If you come out and catch a smallie, for some reason you only like to catch smallies, or you catch a largemouth, might be like try a walleye.
Smallie?
What is it?
Big pick. That's fine. Listen, this is fun already. We're adding it to the species list too.
I didn't bring my net shit. I should.
It's okay.
Oh no, dude, we never use that. And I'm not usually targeting them.
What do you use? Just swim that net rig? Oh, you put a swim bait on it?
Yeah, put a little high-tech on there for now. But yeah, no, that I'll put like a regular.
How do you swim it though?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, when it's a Kitech, Ned rig is a very versatile option, especially for these northern lakes. Yeah, that's a good zone right now. That mid-depth.
And then out 15 minutes. That's where all the smallies are. Up in here.
I just got nailed. Got him. Ah.
Another one?
Yep.
Yeah, told ya.
That's okay. Getting tight, bro. It's all about getting tight. Anything floating like that can be good in the summertime. Got him. Oh yeah. Hooked up. That's a good fish.
Can you take a trolling motor? I think it's large. I don't see any straight on the side.
Dude, that's a good fish.
Can you take the trolling motor, bud?
Yeah,
Oh,
big
yeah.
largemouth. Big largemouth.
Here, get out, open the door and you grab him. Oh, you got
Oh, dude, that was a big
that was a
one.
4-pounder, right?
Yeah, because you want to flip this outer edge too. This is where the real. Oh yeah, got him. Got him. On the bass, man. Big pick
Not big.
on the bash, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
I caught
I remember you saying it was. Oh yeah. Oh, another good bass.
Oh, yeah. Better land this one, huh?
Yeah, come on, kid. No, it's a good largemouth.
Open that door. Open the door.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
That's a pretty. Look at how healthy they are in here. Beautiful. Ronnie said it.
Yeah,
The red.
The
booyah.
red. Oh yeah, bro.
Ronnie.
Nice,
Ronnie.
Here we go.
Boy.
Show him on rough. We'll chop up.
We caught a 35.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm throwing the red
Pretty good.
because it is. Because it's a
Walleye. Walleye.
It's a walleye.
Ronnie.
I'm gonna try this quick little backstanding thing, dude.
You choked it, dude.
Got it. Let's go.
You got it! That was so sick. Look how heavy it is for him.
That's a big fish, dude. He can't get into the tree.
Yeah, he's got to do like a whole like loop around.
Oh,
He took a break.
God.